Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking Chrysler Pacificas today, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to properly replace your front windshield wipers. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, in the garage now, and on the far end is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. And again, in today's video, the step-by-step process on how to properly and safely replace the front windshield wipers. Let's get started. And as we make our way to the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, scrolling above right now is a link to a video on how to replace the rear windshield wiper. We're also going to put that link down below in the comments and description. And again, to our front windshield wipers, we've got a small one, which is basically the passenger side. And then we've got a large windshield wiper, which is driver's side. All right, now to a close-up view of the windshield wiper, and we are going to start by replacing the smaller of the two, or the passenger side windshield wiper. And what I did next, and what I recommend, is grabbing a flathead screwdriver with more of a thicker bit to it, as you see right here. And you're going to focus on this hinge or joint portion, and this is a very thin plastic lock clip, and we need to carefully pop it up with a flathead screwdriver. And I will do my absolute best not to get in your way. Basically, bring the flathead screwdriver in, and I'll scroll in. There's a better view of it. And basically, again, DIYers, this is plastic. Do not break it. And this is where the thicker flathead bit comes into play and will be more beneficial and less likely to break this clip. And basically bring it right in and pry it up just like that. Did you see that? And I will raise it, and I will set the screwdriver aside. And now that the lock clip is up, again, basically popped it up like that, you have this section right here. And all we are going to do is carefully pull up and shift back, just like that. And once you do that, you can carefully remove the windshield wiper. And DIYers, don't just let that spring load down and smack the glass. It could crack it, it could shatter it, or it could make a little scrape on your windshield at that location, which you don't want. And real quick, back to the windshield wiper that we just removed. Again, there's that little lock clip. I guess in this case, it doesn't matter if you break it because you are replacing it. Your new windshield wiper comes with a new clip. However, at that point, we just slid it back and off. And from here, we are going to shift the camera over and do the exact same thing for the larger one. Come in with the thick flathead screwdriver, and same thing, just carefully pry it up. Just like that, and lift it up. And same thing as the smaller windshield wiper, you are going to shift it toward the driver's side and release it from the little loop or hook portion of the hard mounted brace here. And again, pull it away from the windshield and pull it toward you. Just like that, and down and out. Allow that to carefully lower and not smack the windshield. And to a close-up view, the exact same setup as you see right there. Let's head inside to the workstation and grab the brand new windshield wipers. All right, DIYers, inside to the workstation, and we are always busy here. And this is my mom and dad's 2003 Sea-Doo GTX. We just pulled the engine out for a full overhaul and reinstalled it. And over here, my wife's 1995 Sea-Doo XP, and some upcoming DIY repair videos on that. We're excited about all of our jet ski videos. However, let's head to the workbench. Making our way around the jet ski and to the workbench. Again, we are always busy here. And to our brand new OEM Mopar front windshield wipers. And there is the part number. And this is the larger of the two. And what we'll do is grab the actual mount or brace and carefully, without dropping it, get a good grip of this portion here. And allow that loop to go in. And once you get that loop in, you can carefully rest it down and shift it forward just like that. And then secure the clip. Again, that's plastic. Do not break it. Now to the smaller or passenger side. And now I'm going to scroll in. And before we shift this into place, make sure your little lock clip is up. And we're going to come in. I'm going to grab this. And that little loop is going to go in and flush, as shown here. And pull, just like that. And lock in place. And DIYers, just spend a few seconds and double check both your passenger side or smaller of the two wipers and your larger one over on the driver's side. Make sure they are properly secured and installed. And from here, you can leave them as is, or you can test them out. And that's it. Taking a step back, and DIYers, that's it. We hope this helps. And before we wrap this video up, I do want to talk about the design of the windshield wiper. Again, this is the OEM from the manufacturer. And you saw how easy and friendly that was to replace. Now, in the event that you get your replacement wipers, whether they are aftermarket or OEM, it is very possible that your little locking mechanism or design won't be the exact same. And that's okay, because again, there's a lot of manufacturers out there that design and make replacement wipers. And what I want to do now is hit the computer and show you an actual photo of the design I'm talking about. And again, DIYers, we hope this helps. And what we'll do next is actually take the vehicle and get a car wash. The wife was mud bogging through a vehicle-friendly corn maze the other day. Again, we hope this helps. Down below in the comments and description, we are going to have several helpful video links on Chrysler Pacificas. Definitely check those out. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. As always, we appreciate you watching, and thanks again.